we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of WOHLLEBEN portable folding steam sauna, head opening home sauna tent with removable seat and remote control. Pop-up personal sauna pot for stress treatment and fatigue reduction, black blue, hat. Highlight features or overview summary are include: leisure lifestyle. Products with zipper to release hands allow you to freely use the remote control to set temperature and time. You can get some snacks or mobile phones in the front bag. You can read books, watch movies, listen to music in the steam room, and enjoy a quiet and beautiful life. Quick heating and soothing warmth. The steam temperature is about 50 to 55 degrees Celsius. The power of the steam engine is 1000 watt, 110 volt. The water capacity is 2 liters, and the steam can fill the entire tent within 10 minutes in the sauna bathroom. Sauna tents made of high-quality satin and polyester can prevent heat loss. High quality and easy to clean. The steam tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and easy to clean. The warm cloth lining in environmental protection has high temperature and corrosiveness. The steam tent uses high-quality thermal heating fabrics to prevent heat loss and easy to clean. Portable and space-saving. Our quick folding sauna tent simply takes it out of the bag and is ready to go. The pop-up plus foldable design makes it easy to carry and travel, allowing you to enjoy your spa experience wherever you are. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.